In this SAT problem, we're given that a equals square root of 2 and b equals square root of 3. And we need to simplify the expression 9a to the 5 minus 4b to the 5 divided by 36. Let's break it down. First, calculate a to the 5. Since a equals square root of 2, that means a to the 5 equals square root of 2 to the 5. This can be rewritten as 2 to the 5 halves, and further 2 to the 2 plus 1 half, which is 4 times square root of 2. Now multiply by 9. 9a to the 5 equals 9 times 4 square root of 2, and finally 36 times square root of 2. Next, calculate b to the 5. Since b equals square root of 3, we get b to the 5 equals square root of 3 to the 5. 3 to the 5 over 2, 3 to the 2 plus 1 half, and that is 9 times square root of 3. Now multiply by 4. 4b to the 5 equals 4 times 9 square root of 3, and finally 36 square root of 3. So the numerator becomes 36 square root of 2 minus 36 square root of 3. Divide everything by 36, and we're left with square root of 2 minus square root of 3. Notice that's exactly a minus b. So the final answer is option B. Follow for more SAT practice problems.